Principles of Finance, a la Shmup. What is accrual accounting and why do I care? All right, well, the $5 word of the day is accrual, and note that you accrue at your own peril if you accrue too aggressively or too passively when you depreciate that tractor factory. Think accrual is the Lazarus anti-twin of cash accounting, or something like that. All right, free cash flow is the golden goose, and in the management of companies, it is the smell of napalm in the morning. Freedom! All right, we're twisted. We know it. All right, well, when you have free cash flow, you have options. You can buy back your own stock, you can buy your competitors and raise prices or lower expenses or both, or you could raise your dividend or just pay one if you weren't. In any outcome, free cash is generally happy cash. All right, well, the goal here is to magically convert accrual basis earnings into cash generated from or consumed by operations. So how do we do that? All right, well, we're going to delve into Mattel Corporation. Yes, the makers of Barbie and Ken and the Easy Bake Oven. Just because we think it's so odd that these gender and racial stereotypes still get sold to the young people of this country and around the world. Oh, and because Mattel is pretty easy to understand. They basically remold cheap plastic into relatively expensive representations of humans and then sell them on the web and in toy stores around the world. Well, here's a recent set of filings. Glance through the balance sheet and the statement of operations, fancy name for income statement, and get quickly to the consolidated statements of cash flows. Note that this is, consolidated. Mattel has many divisions and does business in many countries, and this consolidated thing is just a mashup of all of those discrete elements inside the company to produce one document that everyone can look at. Why is this good? Well, because you can't invest only in Mattel Singapore. You can invest in Mattel Corporation. That's it. So the good, the bad, the ugly, they all go into soup that you are eating. Think of that when you slurp.